Hi, my name is Alberto Jauregui. I'm here at Vivix Credit Solutions, I guess, and I'm just trying to give a testimonial of how I feel about this experience I went through almost a year in April, and I can share with you that I had about 50 derogatory items in my credit, and I believe there's about 21 now, so half of them has been removed, or more than half. And I'm still working on trying to improve my credit. I discovered that I even had credit cards approved in my credit report because I felt so discouraged about my situation that I didn't even look into my credit. I didn't even care, where I used to watch it every month, and now I did not care what happened. I didn't care what collection agency called anymore. I was just discouraged totally. But I'm back in the groove. I'm back in action again. I'm improving my credit. I did spend some money doing this, and I don't regret it. I'm happy I did. And I think life is improving, and I hopefully I come back to where I was or even better.